Have you ever wondered how submarines, these incredible underwater vessels, are made? Well, these marvels of engineering are not just oversized tin cans, but intricate assemblies of technology designed to withstand the intense pressures of the deep sea. Submarines play a crucial role in marine exploration, allowing us to delve into the ocean's depths, uncovering the mysteries that lie beneath the waves. They've also been pivotal in warfare, silently navigating the seas to secure strategic advantages. Beyond exploration and warfare, submarines contribute significantly to research, from studying marine life to monitoring seismic activity. Building a submarine is no small feat. It involves an intricate dance of engineering, physics, and material science, each component meticulously planned and constructed to ensure the safety and efficiency of these underwater behemoths. So if you're intrigued by these magnificent vessels and want to understand the complexities involved in their creation, you're in the right place. Dive with us now into the fascinating process of submarine construction. Every submarine's journey starts on paper, or more accurately, on a computer software. In the realm of marine engineering, software plays a pivotal role. Engineers harness the power of these tools to piece together the puzzle of a submarine's design. They meticulously consider factors like size, weight, buoyancy, and pressure resistance, creating a balance that defines the capability of the vessel. The process is akin to sculpting, but instead of chiseling stone, they're shaping algorithms and data. The submarine's purpose, be it military, research, or tourism, heavily influences its design. A military submarine, for instance, prioritizes stealth and firepower, while a research submarine values scientific equipment and pressure resistance. On the other hand, a tourist submarine focuses on comfort and viewing capabilities. This stage of design and planning is a game of precision and foresight, a dance between the limits of physics and human ambition. Once the design gets a green light, it's time to move from the virtual to the physical world. The construction phase is where the submarine truly begins to take shape. This is the stage where the design and planning phase starts to transform into a tangible structure. The first step involves the creation of the submarine's hull. Crafted from robust materials such as high-strength steel or titanium, the hull is designed to withstand the immense pressure of the deep ocean. It's a critical component that protects the crew and the internal systems from the harsh underwater environment. Next, we move on to the installation of the propulsion systems. Whether it's a nuclear reactor or diesel-electric engine, these systems enable the submarine to navigate the vast ocean depths. Coupled with the propulsion systems, the ballast tanks are installed. These tanks play a pivotal role in controlling the submarine's buoyancy, allowing it to dive and surface at will. Simultaneously, a plethora of other systems are fitted within the submarine's confines. These include navigation systems that guide the submarine's path, communication systems that link the crew with the outside world, and life support systems that ensure a breathable atmosphere within the submarine. It's a complex and meticulous process requiring the highest levels of precision and attention to detail. Every single component, whether it's a major system or a small part, plays a crucial role in the overall functionality of the submarine. After months or even years of hard work, the submarine is finally ready for the next phase. Building a submarine is only half the battle. Rigorous testing ensures it's ready for the deep blue. Now we enter the critical phase of testing and commissioning. This process isn't a simple one-step affair. It's a series of meticulous evaluations, each designed to push the submarine's limits and ensure it's seaworthy. First up, dock trials. Here, the submarine is tested while it's still in a controlled environment. We're checking systems, functionality, and overall performance without the unpredictability of the open sea. Next, sea trials take the reins. This is where the rubber meets the road, or rather the hull meets the high seas. Our submarine is tested in actual sea conditions. It's a true test of endurance, performance, and resilience. Throughout these stages, safety checks and certifications are of paramount importance. Each test, each check is a stamp on the submarine's passport to the abyss. Once the submarine passes all tests, it's ready to embark on its underwater adventures. So, how do we make a submarine? It's quite a journey. From the initial stages of design and planning, every detail is meticulously thought out. Then comes the construction phase, where these plans are brought to life piece by piece. But it doesn't stop there, as rigorous testing ensures the submarine's functionality and safety. Finally, the commissioning phase marks the submarine's readiness for the open seas. Next time you marvel at a submarine, remember the intricate process that brought it into existence.